Hello everyone. Today we will continue our discussion around agile estimation and planning. And we will talk about adaptive planning. What is adaptive planning? Before we start that, let's first look at the opposite one. This is Jack. Jack has a great idea and believes that there are people who will love it. So he wants to turn it into a product. And he created a list of the things he believes that need to build into the product. And he organized a team as well. They start to make a plan for it with lots of sticky notes on the wall. According to the initial plan, they divided the implementation works into 4 iterations, and each iteration has clearly defined works. As Jack imagined, at the end of first iteration, his idea will become real and the customer will love his product. The team started to build the product. In the first iteration, the team completed 2 planned items, but the third one hasn't done yet. So the team had to move it to the next iteration. And it raised a question: how to deal with the pre-planned items in iteration 2? Because the original plan was created based on the team's capacity in each iteration. But with additional leftover work from the previous iteration, that plan seems not realistic anymore. At the meantime, Jack has a new idea to make the product even better. And he is so excited and wants to prioritize it in the second iteration immediately. That makes the team feel even more frustrated because it is obvious that the following iterations plan will be impacted a lot, and the whole team needs to be reviewed and replanned work. This kind of planning, we call it predictive planning. I see lots of teams did their release plan in this way. They planned the work in each iteration of the release, but it doesn't work because when the team planned everything up front, they actually put a lot of assumptions into it. Like what are the features the customer will love, how many things the team can complete in one iteration, or how complex the solution is. If along the way any of those assumptions are not true, they will have to change their plan. So it is not a good idea to make a big plan up front. It will cause many unnecessary wastes. So how can we do it better? Let's restart the whole thing. Jack and the team put everything they believe that need to build into the product in a backlog. But instead of making a plan across all iterations, they only planned the first one with the most important features. Then when the team kick-started the first iteration, Jack has a new idea and he simply put it into the backlog. When the first iteration completed, the team completed 2 items and they reviewed the completed features with the potential users and get their feedback. What do they like and what they don't? According to the feedback, Jack decided to prioritize the new idea to the top and delete some items what the customer seems not favor. Then the team planned the second iteration based on the new priority and started to build the new features. At the meantime, Jack is continuously refining the backlog with new ideas and new priority. The whole team will work this iterative way until the product is ready to the market. There may be still some items in the backlog, but the team can just simply delete them. This is what we call adaptive planning. It will start from a goal. What do we want to achieve at the end? It is the true north and provides the direction to the team. And the team will focus on the present. What can help us to move toward that goal now? Then try it, test it, get the feedback, adjust it accordingly, and decide what we should focus next. It is the way of inspecting and adapting. Through this way, the team can be more adaptive to the change, be more capable of learning. Hence, the team will have more opportunities to succeed.